The following presentation is intended for financial advisors only. This event may include statements that contain forward-looking information, and such statements may be subject to risks and uncertainties, some of which are significant in scope and by their nature beyond the controls of the investment advisor. There can be no assurance that such information will prove to be accurate, and historical results are not necessarily indicative of future performance.
Greetings, I'm Mike Hurley, Chief Market Strategist for NexPoint with your Market Minute for July 6th, 2021. Well, important last week was the continued rotation we're seeing in the market. You might remember last week we highlighted the breakout in the NASDAQ, and that breakout has not treated all groups and sectors evenly. If you look down the left side of the chart, you can see a couple of groups that have been strong in the banks and the insurance stocks, which start to look like they're pulling back and ready to test support. Again, healthy charts longer term, but over the last couple of weeks too, that have definitely shown some weakness. The right side, however, and the bottom left, which are the builders, pardon me, you can see very different formations. In the internet stocks, you can see a sector that has been correcting and consolidating for several months and now moving out to the upside. You can see the ARK Innovation ETF having already tested support and again, moving out to the upside. And most importantly, we believe are the semiconductor stocks. The chart on the bottom right shows the 5 to 6 month trading range the semiconductor stocks have been in, and they just broke out again last week. So again, some haves and have-nots, but healthy rotation overall. Looking at the big picture, you can see the commodity markets remain strong and remain in solid uptrends. The 10-year Treasury note is pushing support pretty hard down in that 140 area, but again, looks like a healthy correction so far. And the four charts to the right are of the S&P, the NASDAQ, the Dow Industrials, and small caps. And again, all look like uptrends in various stages of either corrections or new highs. So again, it continues to look like a bull market to us in stocks, and one that's probably in the third or fourth inning of the game with some healthy rotation under the surface. I've been Mike Hurley with your Market Minute for July 6th, 2021. We'll see you again next week.